My research is involved at understanding how children's cancers interact with the immune system. So the immune system is a very powerful way in which the body can recognise and remove abnormal cells from the body. So we're investigating in the lab how particular children's cancers, including cancers of the blood or leukemias, and solid cancers, in particular neuroblastoma, are able to switch off the anti-cancer immune response. We're also investigating new ways, in collaboration with other laboratories throughout the UK and also with pharmaceutical companies, new drugs and new particular immune therapies that will allow the patient's own immune system to kill the cancer cells. Amber was a little girl who I met a few years ago when she was diagnosed with a form of blood cancer, acute myeloid leukemia. When she first came to the hospital, her family very generously gave us a small sample of her blood. Using this sample of her blood, we were able to take out the leukemia cells and study them in the laboratory. For the first time, we were able to show that acute myeloid leukemia cells are able to switch off the anti-cancer immune response. And more particularly, we identified the way that they did that. This particular finding was the first time that it's been shown. With new funding, our laboratory will be able to expand the work that we currently perform. For example, we will be able to hire new technicians and new research scientists who will be able to work on different blood and solid cancers in children. We'll be able to buy new equipment to analyse blood and tumour samples donated from children and their families. In addition, we will develop new drugs and new ways of reactivating the immune system to attack cancer in children. We hope that in the end this will lead to new forms of therapy and new clinical trials for children with cancer. I mean, we hope in the future that the findings that we identify here in the lab through our research will enable new forms of treatment to be given, and these might be new drug forms of treatment, or there might be new ways of making the patient's own immune system able to better fight children's cancer. On behalf of the whole laboratory team, patients and families, I'd like to say thank you very much for all the support that you have given us.